Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Coinbase to PayPal. First, ensure both your Coinbase and PayPal accounts are fully verified. Then, log into your Coinbase account using a web browser, as this process is often smoother on desktop. Navigate to the Settings or Linked Accounts section within your Coinbase profile to begin the linking process. Once in the Payment Methods section, select the option to link a new payment method. From the list of available choices, select PayPal. This action will redirect you to the PayPal website, where you will need to authorize Coinbase to connect to your PayPal account. This is a crucial step for security. When prompted, log into your PayPal account with your credentials. Carefully review the permissions Coinbase requests for your PayPal account to understand what data will be shared. After reviewing, confirm the connection to finalize the linking process. Your PayPal account's country and name must match your Coinbase account's country and legal name. With your PayPal account successfully linked, you can now use it to buy cryptocurrency on Coinbase. You can also sell your cryptocurrency and withdraw the funds directly to your PayPal account. Keep in mind that a daily purchase limit of up to $25,000 may apply. Additionally, be aware of potential fees for purchases and withdrawals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.